Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some brand new work. Codes plus for Roblox, 99 nights in the forest. There's even a secret code hidden in this video. Some codes can expire anytime, so make sure you watch till the end. You didn't skip any part. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Whether it's blocks fruits, dress tube, oppressed, or 99 nights in the forest. Let's start the video.